Iron Dome, a strategic step for Romania's defense. Hello and welcome to Military Forces Insider, the place where we dive into the most fascinating topics in defense and security. In this episode, we're tackling a hot topic: Iron Dome for Romania. We'll explore how this revolutionary system could completely transform the way our country defends its skies against modern threats. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest analyses and insights in the military world. Let's get started. In today's geopolitical context, national security is a top priority for countries in Eastern Europe. Positioned at the eastern border of the European Union and NATO, Romania faces increasing threats in the Black Sea region, especially in the wake of the war in Ukraine. In this scenario, Romania's interest in acquiring the Israeli Iron Dome missile defense system represents a strategic and necessary initiative. This essay examines how the Iron Dome system works, its relevance for Romania, and the potential benefits and challenges associated with such an investment. What is Iron Dome? Iron Dome is a mobile air defense system developed by Israel, renowned for its ability to intercept short-range missiles and projectiles. It operates through a combination of advanced radar, a command and control center, and interceptor missiles. The radar detects the launch of an enemy projectile and calculates its trajectory. Based on the command center's analysis, if the projectile poses a threat, a TAMR interceptor missile is launched to destroy the target before it hits the ground. The system's performance is impressive. It boasts a success rate exceeding 90%, and each battery can protect an area of approximately 150 square kilometers. However, the costs per interception, estimated between $50,000 and $100,000, pose a significant financial challenge. Relevance for Romania, with its strategic position in the Black Sea region, is exposed to risks stemming from regional instability. Recent events, such as Russia's invasion of Ukraine and escalating tensions in the Black Sea, highlight the need to strengthen air defense capabilities. In this context, the Iron Dome could play a crucial role: protection against regional threats. Romania could use the system to safeguard major cities, critical infrastructure, and military bases from potential missile or drone attacks. Contribution to NATO security. As a NATO member, Romania has a responsibility to bolster collective defense. Acquiring an advanced system like the Iron Dome would benefit the alliance, reinforcing defensive capabilities at Europe's eastern frontier. National defense industry. If Romania secures the license to produce Iron Dome components, it could stimulate local industry, create jobs, and reduce dependency on foreign imports. Benefits and challenges. Benefits: the Iron Dome provides effective protection against aerial threats, enhances national security, and strengthens Romania's position within NATO. Moreover, integrating the system into national infrastructure would boost public confidence in the state's ability to handle security crises. Challenges. First, the high costs, both for acquisition and operation, could strain Romania's defense budget. Second, implementing the system requires personnel training and integration with existing defense systems, such as Patriot or Hawk. Finally, the Iron Dome is primarily effective against short-range missiles and projectiles, meaning Romania would need additional solutions to counter complex threats like ballistic missiles or large drones. Conclusion: acquiring the Iron Dome system would be a significant strategic step in enhancing Romania's national and regional security. Although the investment involves financial and logistical challenges, the long-term benefits are substantial, providing effective protection for the population and critical infrastructure. In a geopolitical context marked by instability, such a decision would reaffirm Romania's commitment to European and transatlantic security. The Iron Dome is not just a technological shield, but a symbol of adaptability and resilience in the face of modern threats. Romania, with its key role in Europe's security architecture, must invest in innovative solutions to ensure the safety of its citizens and allies. This was our episode on Iron Dome and what it could mean for Romania's defense. We hope you enjoyed our analysis and discovered new insights about this revolutionary missile defense system. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends who might be interested, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe. Thank you for joining us on Military Forces Insider.